Have you started to see increase from ChatGPT, Perplexity, or even Gemini? Well, we have, and honestly, it's only going to increase. Now, what is this new phenomenon that we're seeing? We're calling this Generative Engine Optimization, so GEO. And that's one of the things that we're going to talk a lot about today, which is what is GEO and how can you best position your website to be cited in Generative Engine Optimization? Hi everyone, I'm Meesha. I'm the founder of RedTree. We're a web-based agency that focuses 100% in building out websites that are both creative and functional. And we're going to quickly run through for you what it is that you need to do to get your site and or your brand mentioned in AI. So before I get into what we need to do to change in your actual website to be ranked, I want to briefly talk to you all about what is generative engine optimization. Now, a lot of people are making a bigger deal about this than it needs to be. A lot of generative engine optimization is utilizing the same best practices that we've been talking about in SEO. Is your content discoverable? Is your content readable? And is it reference worthy? Are people sharing it? Are people talking about it? And not only necessarily for your website, but your brand as a whole. So these basic principles that we've been talking about that will help you in search engine optimization, being shown in search, also is going to help you in generative engine optimization. Let's dive a little bit deeper and really try to figure out some actual tangible things that we can do to perform for generative engine optimization. The first thing that I want to look at is how you can help AI understand your overall website copy. So this is utilizing a lot of things like structural data, right? So how are you saying this is the top title? This is the paragraph underneath that, which leads to clear indications of the headers, title tags, as well as bulleted lists. And then being concise and direct. It's basically making sure that a lot of your content is readable by users and clearly also understandable by robots. How is it flowing? How is it structured? The next thing to really look at is, again, we're pulling in a lot of those SEO best practices, the technical SEO. So we've been talking about this forever and ever and ever. How quickly does your website load? And is it easy to digest inside a mobile? Is it a mobile first design? Is it rendering different in mobile and desktop? Or is the desktop shrinking down to fit inside of your mobile device? These are clear trust signals that AI is going to start using in order to have your site be referenced. The last one on the list is EEAT, which stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, as well as trustworthiness. Now, again, we've been talking about this for a really long time, but is the things that you're putting on your site, are these valuable insights? Are these things that people are going to think as authoritative or informational? These specific videos that I'm creating is to help us to be ranked inside of AI. So we're following these same practices of using text, video, and infographics to help show AI that we have that experience, the expertise, the authoritativeness, and the trustfulness. Now, we have a full article about all of this that goes into a lot more details. I encourage you to read through it all or better yet, reach out to our team. We'd be happy to talk you through some options to look into. Thanks.